Alright, y'all. So it's the next day now. It is July 2nd. It's 2:19 right now. I'm just chilling, waiting outside my boyfriend's house, waiting for him to get back. But I did just come from the mall, and I originally went in there to get my jewelry, my bracelet fixed, which I think we just might be SOL on that, because Pandora not trying to fix it, nobody trying to fix it, to be honest. So might just have to get another one, I'm guessing. But I did want to show y'all the necklace that I got. What the fuck? Yeah, y'all. This shit is so fucking cute. Oh, damn. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh shit. Just how cute is that? I haven't had like a real silver necklace in so long, because I went some few years, a lot of years, only wearing gold jewelry. I really just got back into silver jewelry like that. But anyways, like I was saying, y'all, yeah, my boyfriend's here now. If you didn't see that car just fucking pull up. But I'm gonna just leave this in here. Don't feel like taking it. Let me take my frozen Fanta and get going, y'all. I don't know the next time I'm gonna speak to y'all, because folks just feel like being fucking boring. Like, I'm tired of all the boring shit. Actually, I'm finna go on a rant. Hold on, when we get in this motherfucker, I'm gonna go on a motherfucking rant. She jumping. Oh, look at my bae on the grill.
Now hold it down here. Look, just hold the stick part, yeah.
I'm not sure if it's holding the stick part. I never did these kind of ones.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Yeah.
Come on. Hold it. Hold the screw out.
Oh, don't cut that.
Hold on. Damn,
that way. Stop, Zara.
Zara, this way.
She's scared.
No, she almost.
She burnt the shit out of me. Turn right into me, be like, I'm behind her. She goes just like this. I might be on fire. Check my back. I smell like I'm burning. Check my hair.
So I'm aware that I do look crazy, but we're just gonna go ahead and, okay, no we're not. So it's a couple days later. The last time I recorded, I know for a fact, was July 4th, but I don't even think I really talked to y'all for real. Please excuse my skin. I'm going through it right now, which is why I'm on the way to Walmart. Why does my face look like that? Just horrible. My hair is horrible. I have to wash it. I do got some stuff going on this weekend, so I've been kind of trying to like push stuff back, I guess. Or a quick little rundown. Like I said, I don't think I even gave y'all one when I recorded. But so basically for this weekend is my goddaughter's birthday party. Her mom, which is my best friend, and my mom all got the same birthday, which is next week. But my goddaughter's having her party this weekend, so yeah. The plan right now is I'm on the way to Walmart before I go to work, just because I just got so much going on, and this is probably the best time for me to do this. But I'm going to Walmart right now because, one, I need to get my toner that I usually use, which is, I ran out about like almost a week ago, and I could tell I haven't been using it because my skin is just, but yeah, y'all. So other than that, I am looking to get her a present from there. There's something I have my eye on. I just don't know if they have it there. I might have to do a pickup order for like tomorrow or something if they don't got it, but that's the plan for right now. After that, I'm just going to work. Yo, I'm gonna just get with y'all when I get to Walmart. This is the toner that I be using. And I guess I ain't gonna break it. I'll show y'all real quick if it'll focus. Hey y'all, I'm back, and it's, did I record yesterday? I don't even know, but it's now I think today's July 7th. Today's July 7th, I think. Yeah, today's got home not too long ago, and my Shein package came, so I just wanted to show y'all that. I had to sneak away. To film this, so we'll see how long that lasts before Z gets here. But yeah, I got a little Shein haul for y'all. I only got like a couple of things. I think the purse that I ordered came with this, so I don't know, I haven't opened it yet. But this basically is supposed to be like a little outfit I put together for my friend's birthday. Like, we're supposed to be going out next weekend, so let's see. Okay, the purse is cool. Oh, I have this already. I have it in pink. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with accessories first. Smallest thing I got. First thing I got is this ring. Once I show y'all the outfit, y'all kind of get the idea and the look that I'm going for. But I got this ring because I don't have any gold. I really don't have no gold jewelry like that for real anymore. I've been on my silver wave. Hold on. Zara! I've been wearing a lot of silver jewelry lately, so I have to kind of, you know, get some gold. But I didn't know if this was going to fit or not. But it's cute. Sorry, y'all, my hands are dry as hell. I just washed them. Next, I got some like bracelets. Got some like chain bracelets. Just to, you know, add. They just look like this. Oh, this one is cute. Told y'all we wasn't gonna have that much time. But they're just like gold chain bracelets like this. And then next, I got this purse because I have gold shoes and gold heels that I was planning on wearing with this outfit. Kind of putting this outfit together. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's alright. I just needed a gold bag. And now, last but not least, the outfit. I hope it fits, y'all. Because I was going back and forth between a medium and a large. Because I could get away with, I could wear a medium. It's just Shein sizes be too iffy, like. But this is the outfit. I feel like a medium would probably not. Nah, this should fit me. Hold on, y'all. I actually am about to try it on, and I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm glad I stuck with Okay, yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all my little haul, but right now I'm about to go ahead and get Z ready for bed. Right, Zara? But yeah, I'm finna get Z ready for bed so I can go ahead and take a shower and wash my hair because I look crazy. And I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's now Saturday. It's 11:18 a.m. The last time I spoke to y'all, I was showing y'all my shein package. I was supposed to wash my hair last night, but obviously, as you could tell, I just got doing it really like 5 minutes ago. I am now about to blow dry my hair and straighten it, and I'm gonna show y'all how I put in these clip-ins. Hopefully they end up working out this time, because last time my real hair wasn't blending in with the clip-ins because my straightener had broke, so I had to use one that wasn't that well. But I went and got a new one, which I'm here. I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry my hair real quick. I'm gonna see that. Start off with hair's looking light, so I like to section it. I have four pieces. I might put in some extras just depending on how I'm feeling, especially in the front. But my part is not centered, but whatever. But what I do is I got 4 pieces. 2 of them got 3 clips and the other 2 got 4 clips. So I usually put like the 4 clips closer to the top and then the other 2 like, you know, closer to the bottom. We just want to see how this goes because I might have to add a couple pieces in the front just because my hair is short in the front. So let's just see. I'm gonna section it off right here. Let's see where. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm gonna just put the rest of this up because it truly does get in the way. So we're gonna put this half up like this. Don't know where my clip is. Y'all's niece took it. But yeah, we just section like that. I tried to go back in and like tease a little bit, but obviously I don't have a teasing comb, so I just, you know, just working out what I have. Tea. Probably not even doing this right, to be fair. I'm really not, but keep in mind, y'all, I don't do hair. I'm just trying to make this work out for me. Let's see which one this is working. Shorter. Alright, so go ahead and open these clips up. Just the 3-piece. And then once I do that, I like to go in with like some type of spray to make it, you know, like a holding spray or something. Right now, I'm just gonna use this thermal protection spray with a firm hold. But, okay, that was a lot. That was a lot. So yeah, I just go in and just trying to make sure at least the middle is like, you know. And don't be like me, y'all. Don't put too much toner spray because that's way too much. Okay. that layer is in. Yep. That, just section it off again. Let's see where we're gonna section it off. Much hair. That just pull down. Y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this one in. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Yeah, why not? Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, so we learn together. Yeah. Second piece is going in. And you're just gonna have to make that work, probably. Might have to go back in and take that out, but we'll see. I'm tired already. Off camera, because I was struggling, but I have 3 pieces in here now, so I have 2 of the 3 clips and then 1 4 clip. So now I'm about to just, you know, flip my hair back over and see what needs to be done and what doesn't need to be done. I'm gonna be back, y'all. I need another brush. Okay, take this edge brush and just part my hair. That shit was starting to stress me out a little bit. So, that should be good now. Oh shit. Just makes my hair look, honestly, the same length, but it makes my hair look fuller. I clearly have a problem with. My hair looks very thin once I straighten it. So, but see, that's what I mean when I said I was probably gonna add extra pieces, but I'm not going to, because I'm not about to keep struggling. But I am about to part this. And what I do is I just take a wax stick, which don't mind me, y'all, it's dirty. Got makeup all over it. Zara, what are you doing? Shit, it's hot. This bitch hot, boy. Oh shit, my camera's finna die, so I'm gonna just get with y'all later when y'all see. Yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all in a bit. My camera finna die. Evie poo. Wanna get up and jump? Yeah. Yeah. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday.
Don't know how to show you my love without fucking love. He likes hurting himself.
It's a bag.
He likes hurting himself.
Oh, he tried to take his face.
Let's do what brother did though. Have to stop his
She was say took a mess. Man, I'm dark.
It's in the shade. It's in the shade.
You gotta be scared.
Shot it low.
Listen to the bank. But shit is not a joke. Imaginary smoke. Picture say the smoke. The good flow. I done done it out. Feel like shining low. Listen to the bank. But shit is not a joke.
You can hold this.
Imaginary smoke. Picture say and now I'm smoking her too. So went to LSU.
Find Eli, I'm gonna find Zara. Wait.
I'm following you.
Okay, no, they're in.
I look so cute. Hey. Wow, come up.
Wait, come here.
Makeup, look. Period.
She must have took her maid.
Feel like shot low, laughing to the bank. But
y'all
shit
gonna
is not
see
a joke.
With my best friend, I'm motherfucking plastic.
We
next
outside.
weekend.
We outside.
Next weekend.
We outside.
No cap.
I told Derek, this weekend.
Yeah, she outside.
I'm outside.
You see the blonde.
You see the. You see,
Me too. Wait, walk with me to the car.
Where your car at?
Down there. Bro, I parked so far.
You know that's typical of me.
But I parked behind TY.
You parked by T. He parked down there. What are you talking about?
Oh, so he must have moved his car then.
It's dark as hell right here.
When I came,
Don't walk in the street.
not be finna walk the street.
I seen you. That's all I don't walk in the street.
Bro, if it wasn't for Kristen, bro, I probably wouldn't be here. She stopped me from crossing the road in December. No, she didn't.
This bitch got us lost in a hotel. We was running from 12.
Oh my god.
And this bitch, I took us to the bathroom. We could hide in the bathroom because everybody else was on some dumb shit. We hid in the bathroom. But then when we got out the bathroom, the bitch got us lost. And we couldn't find our way to our friends.
But no,
they calling us like, what the fuck, where'd they go?
I kept bringing us to the front. How do we get out? On the side or the back?
Girl, it's been so long.
Yeah, I honestly don't even
Couldn't
know
even
how we
tell
got
you.
out. I didn't go upstairs, right?
Damn, you parked all the way. You better move your car.
Yeah, TY was literally.
Oh
right
yeah,
there
this
in
is
front
his
of
car.
me. Oh, I know who you're talking about now. Sorry,
Yes,
my
her
car's
goddaddy.
dirty.
He amazing goddaddy too.
I don't have a goddaddy.
Oh my god, bitch. Nobody told me nothing.
Well, you
Ain't
know
nobody
something
tell me nothing.
Bro, 'cause I think everybody's a little dazed and confused because Olivia just started
I'm
hitting me
like,
for
why do I
real.
see black? Edit that shit out, bitch.
No, I'm not.
No.
Oh, weak.
You gonna really put me on YouTube like that? That's messed up.
I'm just grabbing it and we're going, right?
Yeah, because we could go in the back.
Alright, bet.
Oh, let me cut the camera.